What's going on? It's JakeOfALL, and I'm working on a tool and some tools, and I have an old tool, but I got a new tool, and these promise to be a little bit bigger and easier to read. So let's go ahead and take a look at these tools. So what do we have here? It's 150. It's interesting. The font and the shading makes you think 150 inch. It's not. I'm believing that's 150 centimeters. 6-inch digital calipers. Let's see what we have in here. We've got a carrying case, a little molded case, not bad. Let's get this open and take a look. All right, so let's get this close look. Nice thing, they include an extra battery. Let's turn it on. Right, so there's my old ones, and there's my new ones, and as you can see, look at the size of the screen difference. That's pretty cool. They both have the thumb adjustment. One of the things that I started to notice about these already is, if you listen, it's got a much more textile feedback than on these ones. And it takes a lot more effort to get them on and off, so that's a win. Honestly, the big screen is my love right now, and the red contrast between imperial and metric. And it does have a set, right? So you can lock it at a dimension. They're a little bulkier in that direction. That's partially because of the massive screen. They don't seem to have any slop. That's good. I like that it's in a case. Generally speaking, they're the same size. They both have a conversion chart on the back. So, you know, helpful. But yeah, the big thing that set this off for me was that I'm getting older and it had a bigger screen. And I can read it easier. Not that this is, you know, not that I'm blind to that. But, you know, anytime you can work easier. And occasionally I am measuring something and I set these and I leave them, and then I want to measure something else and I don't want to mess with those ones, so having an extra pair isn't going to hurt. So, but yeah, I am measuring a few things, and I'm not going to give a ton away, but yeah. So you guys stay tuned for that. I will give these a longer look, and I'll report back, because when you design stuff for 3D printing or for any kind of manufacturing, yourself or commercial, you're constantly going to have to measure stuff. So being able off, yeah, I like the click. I like the click sound. I know what I'm doing. So yeah, I will post a link for these, and you can click to get it. And if you have any questions about them, I'd be happy to answer. You can also leave a comment and all that good stuff if you have any questions. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching. It was a quick one, but it's a tool with a tool. It's not supposed to be crazy. So check it out. It's a good price. Enjoy. Have a good one. Have any questions? Otherwise, hey, JakeOfALL from the future. So I've been using these for a while. Finally sat down to edit the video, and I wanted to get some notes. And I noticed a really neat feature that's basic but cool. So take a look at this here. Here's my old pair. I'm gonna start using them. Okay, right? You might not wonder yet, but watch this on the new pair. And they're zeroed. So as soon as you start moving them, they turn on. It's not a big deal, but that's a cool little feature. And I've been using them for probably about a month and a half, 2 months now. They haven't broken, battery's lasting. They seem accurate, you know, comparing it between the two. So I definitely recommend, so make sure you try them out.